quality, innovation, and trust. This is what defines the partnership between Atlas International and Panito, bringing you the finest in healthy snack production. At Atlas International, we engineer cutting-edge snack production lines, ensuring precision, efficiency, and top-tier quality. Our fully automated systems bring reliability and consistency to every batch of Panito's protein puffs. Panito is revolutionizing the snack industry with high-protein, baked, and gluten-free vegetable chips. A perfect balance of health and flavor, made possible with the precision of the EXG250, Atlas International's world-class production technology. From advanced manufacturing to healthier snacking, Atlas International and Panito are shaping the future of food production. Discover world-class snack production solutions with Atlas International today. Atlas International guarantees quality, freshness, and seamless world-class technology since 1977, serving food production and packaging leaders around the globe. Atlas International, leading innovation in food production and packaging since 1977,